Welcome to today's class. The topic for today is alphabetical order. Please watch this video.
Hey, what are you doing?
My mom has told me to arrange the books.
Oh, that's an uphill task.
Uphill? What does that mean?
Uphill. It means difficult or tough.
So, what do I do now?
Don't worry. Do you remember how many letters are there in English alphabet?
Yes, there are 26 letters in English alphabet. They are A to Z.
Very good. In library, all books are easily arranged in the alphabetical order.
The titles of the books and the names of the author are so difficult to arrange books.
When we arrange books, we ignore the articles A and the and we arrange books written by authors according to ABC order or alphabetical order. We see author's name to arrange the books in library.
Thank you, that's an easy job now.
If we have to list names, titles of books or words, we follow one standard order. It becomes easy for anyone to locate them. This order we follow is known as the alphabetical order or ABC order. So remember that words are formed from the letters of the alphabet. And we learn to sound as many words as we can because they are arranged orderly. For example, Nigeria. So these are arranged in order. If it was jumbled, we couldn't pronounce it well. And there are different examples. Bee, ant, duck and cow. Okay? So when we need to arrange these words in alphabetical order, we go through the ABC order and check. And when we arrange words in an alphabetical order, what do? We are simply arranging them according to how the letters of the alphabets appear, beginning from the letter A to the letter Z. Okay? So now, ant, bee, cow and duck. Here you can see that these words are arranged according to A, B, C and D order. Okay children, so please remember, first you have to see the first letter of each word to arrange in alphabetical order. Okay, and remember, whenever you get a tough word or a difficult word, first go through the meaning in the dictionary. Okay, here is another example for you. Book, apple, examination, church, duty. So here these are set of words and the letters here are arranged accordingly. Okay, the letters are in order, so we are able to recognize the word and read it well, isn't it? So when we arrange them, what do? We go through the first letter of each word. Okay, first we have to underline each word, the beginning letter, and see that whether they begin in ABC order or not. So we have rearranged the words here by seeing that the first letter begins with the letter A, apple, B, book, and the letter C for church, and next the letter D and the word is duty. And finally, the last letter here will be E. So E for examination. So here we arrange the set of words in ABC order. We saw that every word, first letter, and we arrange them accordingly. Some words begin with the same letters. So here is an example. Afresh, addition, absent, accuse. So these are 4 new words, right? What do we note here? That all these letters begin with the same letter A. Okay, all these 4 words begin with the same letter A. A for abuse, accuse, addition, and afresh. So, how did we arrange them? This is simple because we ignored the first letter A and we see the second letter. It was abuse because B was second. Accuse, after B, C comes, and addition, D. And finally, we got the word afresh. So, when all the words begin with the same letter, we ignore the first letter and we see for the second letter. Okay, children, we see the second letter of the next word and we arrange them. We got it B, C, D, and F in the second letter. So it was abuse first, second accuse, third addition, and fourth word was afresh. Here is another example for you. Here you can note all the words begin with D, right? And the second letter is A. So what do we do, children? Yes, when the first two letters are same, then we go through the third letter of the given word and then we arrange them. Here is a simple task for you which you have to do it within 5 to 10 seconds. Okay? Here you have to arrange the words in alphabetical order. Bloat, boat, bet, beans. Yes. Can you tell me which option is correct? A, B or C? Very good. I'm sure you know it already. Here all the words you can see the first letter is B, so you need to see the second letter. If second letters are same, then go to the third. Yes, and here you got the answer already. It is option B. Now let's quickly summarize whatever we have learnt in this class. Now we are able to arrange list of words in alphabetical order. I'm sure it is easy for you now. Using this skill, it is easy for you to find words in the dictionary, in the book glossaries, or locate books even in the library. Okay? Next, arranging words in alphabetical order means to organize words by following the order of the letters of the alphabet from A to Z. Following the order of the letters of the alphabet makes it easy for us to arrange a list of words or find a word in a given list. If we have a list of words that begin with the same letter, we have to look out for the second letters when arranging them alphabetically. If words in a list have the same first and second letter, we have to look out for the third letter while arranging them and so on. Okay, I'm sure now you are able to follow the same rule when you're looking for words in the dictionary, phone directory, glossary pages of books, and for books in the library. I hope, children, that this video was useful for you. Thank you.